speak up for joy. Let us say no to depression. So when it means speak up, again, it's a way how you speak, to whom you speak, how you deliver the content, how honest are you with your own self, and from where do I seek help. If you ask it to your friend who is not emotionally stable, they may walk away if you cry or if you start wending off. Because the moment something disturbs you and your gesture or behavior or expression disturbs them, their hard drive may bring out some portion of their life of similar situation. And if they are not ready to deal with it, they'll walk away. हमारे में से कितने लोग ऐसा मानते हैं that I don't want conflict in life? And how many of you can say that मेरी जिंदगी में conflict होता ही नहीं है? हाँ, and whenever someone says conflict होता नहीं है, again आजू बाजू वाले लोगों से पूछना है कि मेरे मन में नहीं होता है, मेरे बिहेवियर से किसी को होता नहीं. वंडरफुल, आई डोंट वांट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. मोस्ट ऑफ अस से दैट आई डोंट वांट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, एंड उसी मान्यता को लेके हम जहां भी एक्सप्रेस करने की बात आती है रुक जाते हैं. मैं अगर इनसे ऐसा कहूं और ऐसा हो जाएगा तो पीपल यूज टू से कीप मम फॉर पीस. डू नॉट एक्सप्रेस, इट्स अ पेमेंट फॉर पीस. जिसको जो अच्छा लगता है करने दो ना, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. पर वो इतना सारा फ़र्क आपके अंदर पड़ता है, अंदर झांक के देखो तो वो 44 डिग्री वाला हीट होता है, बाहर से आप हंस के उस वक्त 23 दिखा रहे हो. डज इट हैपन? यस. एंड दोज काइंड ऑफ इश्यूज इनसाइड कीप्स किलिंग ह्यूमन सेल्स. Such emotions may get stored in your joints and give you arthritis. They may go and get packed into your intestine and gives you either irritable bowel or diarrhea or constipation. It may start getting into your vessels of the heart and cause problem. We only talk of cholesterol, we only talk of घी कितना खाया, तेल कितना खाया, इसको कम करो, नमक कम लो, ये करो वो करो. इमोशनल डाइटिंग किसने सिखाई? सैडनेस को मत कंज्यूम करो, एंगर को सप्रेस मत करो, काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें. पीपल हु आर रेजिंग हैंड्स, इफ दे विश टू टॉक, अनम्यूट योर सेल्फ एंड यू कैन टॉक. So as we move on, as I said, it's all about balancing everything. The diet that we eat for body and the diet that we take for our emotional stability or health. And as I keep saying, becoming conscious of our emotion, not only our own emotion, but of people's emotions. Because the moment we say express and you don't want conflict, you will suppress, that is how you start responding to other person's emotional need. And that ideally has to be the bilateral mutual process. When we say communication, it is also emotional transaction between two party, may that be spouse, parent and a child, नेबर है, फ्रेंड है, कलीग है, ऑफिस में सबॉर्डिनेट है, आपका ड्राइवर है, केयर टेकर है, हाउसमेड है, एनीबडी. In any relationship, when we communicate, it is an emotional transaction. And if both the party learn to be aware of own emotions and the other party's emotion, there is always an amicable way to communicate that ends up in happy conversation. Yes, Aloka is saying that many times when you express opposite person is not ready, then what happens? Yes, then there is a blast, or there is silence, or there is temporary turbulence, and so on. That we talk in detail in our workshops on relationship dynamics, but I am elaborating a bit here that when we start talking of other person's emotions, we also at times make mistake and we just go there on the slope ગુજરાતીમાં છે ને કે લપસી જઈએ, તણાઈ જઈએ, then we only start talking of the other person's emotion and maintaining peace, जिसके बीच में कहीं हमारा इमोशनल स्टेबिलिटी डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है, हम एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते हैं. And the whole thing is, I need to be responsible for my behavior. If I am right, if I wish to express, and if that is hurting the other person, don't feel guilty about it. What is in your hand is that if I wish to communicate and I wish to make that emotional transaction or communication a happy conversation, I may check my emotion, my emotional status, stability, the way I talk, the content that I deliver, the honesty that I express, and getting detached from any outcome that is happening. That's in my hand. I cannot have a situation that what I say you have to believe in. And that is all about Louis' philosophy of accepting my own self exactly as I am and accepting others as they are. With this understanding, when the communication happens, the emotional transaction becomes so happy for both the parties. Problem क्या होती है in relationships? Everybody is thinking हम उनको बदल देंगे, वो मेरा कहा मान लेंगे, धीरे धीरे सब ठीक हो जाएगा. And that's how 20, 30, 40 years तक हम वही आस लेके वही separation के साथ जी लेते हैं. And then story starts of getting illness. Louise also said that it is easy and safe to look within. अपने अंदर देखना is very very possible and very easy. पर जो हम करते नहीं हैं, कोरोना ने हमको वो भी चांस दे दिया लॉकडाउन में कि अपने अंदर झांक लो, अपने से बात कर लो, स्टार्ट आइडेंटिफाइंग योर इमोशंस, हाउ डू यू फील. वो पुरानी जितनी भी फाइल्स है उसको क्लियर करो. घर में जैसे अलमारी ठीक करते हैं उसी तरह से अंदर ठीक करना है. जो कपड़ा हमको फिट नहीं हो रहा है 10 साल पहला, उसको हम करते क्या है, एक छोटे से एग्जाम्पल में दे देती हूँ. What do we do with those clothes? We give away to someone so that someone can use. कुछ नहीं तो उसको झाड़ू पोछा में ले लिया, कुछ तो करते हैं ना. आपका वजन समझ लो 40 था और 80 पहुंच गया मेरी तरह, तो 40 से 80 में वो 40 वाले कपड़े रख के कोई फायदा है? If that is not the process of life, अगर हम अलमारी की सफाई करते रहते हैं, जो हमारे काम का नहीं है उसको निकाल देते हैं, तो जो इमोशन हमारे लिए अच्छा नहीं है उसको क्यों रखते हैं? And we pay high price for that. We really really pay high price for that, right? So we need to figure out कि जब भी हम किसी से बात करते हैं in any relationship, तो मेरे अंदर कौन सी फीलिंग आ रही है. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट से बचने के लिए मैं बात ना कर पाऊं, am I being fearful in this relationship? Yes, and somebody is asking, but how to work with emotion? That's an ongoing process. I myself worked and I'm working for emotional health and understanding it better and better since last about 22 years. I'm 49. पिछले 22 साल से I've been working using various philosophy and the transformation that I can experience, I'm so happy to share. Luckily, no major hurt in life. Everything has been good, but at times, maybe I get angry with my staff, my friends and acquaintances and near and dear one people sometimes feel that I'm more on anger side. Those kind of things, even for anger, I would say when you sit with anger for a longer time, it's actually not the anger but grief. समाज ये नहीं समझ रहा है. Society will start putting label on others. She is shy, उनको तो रोना ही आ जाता है. She can never handle situations. He is absolutely impulsive. कितना आसानी से हम लोग लेबल लगा देते हैं ना. So when it comes to anger, किसी ने बहुत ही अच्छा कहा है कि आप लंबे समय शांति से गुस्से के साथ बैठो. That anger as an emotion is actually grief. So someone needs that help to get grief release rather than getting rejected and dejected with the label of angry. This is just one example. If we move on, identifying our symptoms of distress is also an art and it needs to be learned. वो हमारे बॉडी में लोकेट कहाँ हो जाता है ना, वो भी हम सीख सकते हैं. When we offer sessions, 2 दिन का एक हील योर लाइफ वर्कशॉप हुआ करता है. Then there are 4 hours workshop on subjects like forgiveness for hurt management. Forgiveness is freedom, relationship dynamics, how to manage hurt, how to manage anger, how to overcome fear, how to cross over the limitations that we find, how do we become more conscious of receiving and giving love, how do we learn to love our own self. There are various things to talk about, but simply if I give an example, through meditation, guided meditation and a visualization during the workshop, when we take participant through about 8 to 11 minutes of that meditation, and there is something to say that if you feel any kind of discomfort at any part of your body, please put your hand over it. And that is how we get the diagnosis. And more than 95% people till date that I have dealt with, they could locate the storage of their emotion in the body. It becomes so easy for them and us to help them get cured and heal themselves. Today we have people here who have done HYL with me and all. In couple of minutes, I would request them to come and share their experience for a while, so that somebody is asking how to deal with emotion, they may get an answer. We need to decode our emotions and understand our own emotional pattern. मेरे अंदर की पैटर्न क्या है, थीम क्या है, वो समझना ज़रूरी है. अगर वो मालूम पड़ गया तो इट विल बी ईजी फॉर अस टू चेंज दैट. साइनसाइटिस, साइटिका, साइनस मेरे को बार बार हो जाता है. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ योर पोस्ट नेजल ड्रीप जिनको होता है, आप सो गए तुरंत करके खड़ा हो जाना पड़ता है. It's a blockage of the lacrimal gland if you are suppressing your crying. Aluka can connect to it more as an ophthalmologist if you start taking this to your practice. Backache. Louise Hay could divide backache in 3 parts: mid, upper and low backache. Financial insecurity है, आपको लगता है कोई मेरे को समझता नहीं है. If you feel that lack of support from the family, lack of finance, that also can bring in backache.